Napakahigpit naman ninyo pala sa pagtulong para namang hindi Pilipinong ugali naman po.
Kapag pinasok yan at hinold up, imagine the lives that will be at stake there. Paano makaka-respond yan kasi ginawa mong kargador? Paano ngayon kung mapagbintangan sila? So it's not only protecting the bank, the other people, and the clients.
Yung power of the purse po, I think we do recognize yung, I believe there is no compromise naman
Yun
po.
ang palagay mo. Paano kung hindi pareho ang outcome nyo?
We will stand by yung audit po ng COA.
O ibig mo sabihin, yung outcome ng aking mga colleagues ay mali.
Even the courts can reverse COA po.
You have wittingly or unwittingly surrendered part of your mandate.
No, Mr. Chair, we have not surrendered our mandate.
How do you know that you have not surrendered?
So we recognize po yung wisdom po ng Congress.
Pwede bang patapusin mo ako? Kasi
Committees may conduct inquiry in aid of legislations.
Mr.
At dito
Chair,
po sa...
Mr. Chair.
Excuse me, Congressman Marcoleta, I'm still... administrative body shall not stop or abate any inquiry. We have an oversight function. It can be extended to appealed cases and special civil actions awaiting final disposition.
There should be a legislative purpose. Nakabalangkas na po yun.
Meron na po.
Ano?
Mr. Chairman, marami po.
Hindi po gagawa ng batas habang nagtatanong o pagkatapos na magtanong.
To gather information and thus legislate wisely and effectively, and to determine whether there is a need to improve existing laws or enact new or remedial legislation.
Hindi dapat mauna po yung kabayo kaysa sa kalesa.
The inquiry need not result in any potential legislation.
Dito po, sabi po dito, ang Kongreso ang guardian of public funds. To question the constitutionality, file a petition before the Supreme Court. Petition for certiorari.
Magandang gabi sa inyo mga kabalitaan. Panoorin ang highlights ng latest government officials accountability public hearing.
Yung isa po sa guard nyo tinulungan lang pong isakay po sa sasakyan dahil mabigat po at napakarami po palang winidro.
Your Honor, ang duty po talaga ng security guard namin ay to secure po yung bank premises.
Alam ko po yun, madam.
Opo. Yun.
But somehow, sa mga ibang establishment, alam po ninyo, yung gwardiya po, minsan naglilinis ng mesa. Kinukuha po niya yung mga pinggan. Nakikita niyo po yun. Hindi po unusual yun. Gwardiya po yun.
Sir, yung pinoprotektahan din po namin yung security risk din po. So baka po on the way na tumulong siya ay may mawala po doon sa... Kasi hands-off na po kami once na ma-release na ho namin yung funds.
Ang laki po bang kasalanan yun, madam? Mga bangko po kayo di ba? Dapat po yung mga kliyente naman nagbibigay kayo kahit anuman lang kaluwagan. Napakahigpit naman ninyo pala sa pagtulong para namang hindi Pilipinong ugali naman po yung pala yung...
The security guard of a bank is different from the security guard of a restaurant. Kapag ang security guard ng isang bangko ay naghakwat at biglang pinasok yan at hinold up, imagine the lives that will be at stake there. Paano makaka-respond yan kasi ginawa mong kargador? That's one. Second, Mr. Chair, the security guards, well, they are adequately paid for that profession. Hindi naman ganun kasobrang laki na kapag pinabitbit mo, and then the client will say, naku, kulang ito. Paano ngayon kung mapagbintangan sila? So it's not only protecting the bank, the other people, and the clients, but their task is to be a security guard, and that is the basis while banks have that ruling. Maraming salamat, Mr. Chair.
Ilan-ilan pong mga requirements ang dapat gawin para po matugunan nila yung requirements na hinihingi po ng audit observation memo.
Mr. Chair, depende nga po kung ano yung content ng AOM. So if there are 2 observations, di malamang po, 2 po yung i-comply. If there are 5 po ang i-comply.
Kaya nga po, Mr. Chair, kasi po humihingi ang House, ang ating pong komite, nung mga dokumento na kakailanganin po dito sa kanilang pagdinig. Tama po ba?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Hindi po ninyo binigyan ng due course yung sulat po ni Attorney Sanchez. Ano pong dahilan?
Mr. Chair, nag-issue po ang House, ang committee po ng subpoena duces tecum sa COA. And dun po sa rules ng COA, pwede naman po kaming maservan ng subpoena. And ayun po, nag-comply lang po kami based dun sa subpoena po.
Dahil po yung bagay na hiningi po nila ay iniimbestigahan na ninyo, i-advise nyo yung ang House na, Sir, Madam, with all due respect, ay hindi muna po namin kayo mabibigyan ng inihingi po ninyo sapagkat sa ngayon po ay kami po yung kasalukuyan pong nag-iimbestiga. Hindi po ba pwede ring idahilan yon, Madam, without disrespecting the Committee on Good Government?
Mr. Chair, meron naman pong nire-recognize din naman po namin yung Congress oversight.
Hindi po ba nyo naisip na maaari pong makompromiso yung ginagawa ninyo? Kasi po, kaya ginagawa niyong confidential sapagkat gusto niyong maproteksyonan ang mga karapatan ng mga partido sapagkat wala pang ang conclusiveness. Iniimbestiga pa nga lang.
Audit lang po yung sa amin na technically hindi po investigate.
Kaya nga importante po na maproteksyonan kasi ino-audit nyo lang. Yung pong ginagamit po ninyo sa inyong pag-audit ay ibibigay po ninyo sa Committee on Good Government, mabubuyang-yang po yung mga dokumento in the House of Representatives. Tama po?
Tama po.
Kagaya po ng nangyayari ngayon. Masasakripisyo po, masasapubliko po ang gagawin ninyo kung sakasakali. Tama po ba?
Tama po, Mr. Chair. Ang audit po ay exclusive sa Commission on Audit. Pero since ang Congress po ang may hawak sa yung pera po ng yung power of the purse po, I think we do recognize yung Congress oversight over that power, and similar to sub judice po, hindi po nababind ang Congress pagdating po sa power ng Congress na yun po.
Necessarily, ang gawain po ninyo na interrupt, tama?
Yes po.
Huminto kayo. Sa mga tweet, ang gawain po ninyo ay nabalam. Nabinbin kayo.
It continues naman pa rin po kahit na may mga...
Kasasabi mo lang kanina na interrupt, ngayon continuous.
Itong sa OVP po, yung, pero sa other audit,
ito po sinasabi natin, itong pinag-uusapan, the subject matter of the law of this Good Government Committee. Necessarily, ang trabaho po ninyo in relation to the issuance of that audit observation memo was interrupted.
Yung sa other liquidations naman po ng other offices, continues pa rin naman po.
So effectively, you delegated the idea, the work that you should have been doing in the first place. I cannot blame this committee kasi hindi po nyo in-advise. Paano ngayon? Hindi po ba na-compromise yung independence ng Commission on Audit? The COA is an independent constitutional body.
Yes, Mr. Chair. I believe there is no compromise naman
Yun
po.
ang palagay mo.
Since yung audit procedures still belong with the Commission on Audit.
Yun ang palagay mo. You're talking of procedures, pero compromise nga yung mga dokumentong gagamitin ninyo. Kasi binigay mo nga, sabi ko nga sa'yo, walang kasalanan ang committee ito sapagkat sinabina ka, binigay mo without advising them. Did you strengthen the foundation and the independence, the authority of the COA as enshrined in the Constitution?
Mr. Chair, dun po sa compliance po namin, we emphasized on the confidentiality of the information. So kami din po, hindi rin po namin in-expect that it would be released to the public.
This is always public You are not in a position to tell us na hindi na compromise. Only time will tell. Siguro po dapat pinaalam po ninyo. The fact that you did not even inform the commission proper that there is a subpoena, so alam po ng COA head ito.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Alam niya, sigurado ka?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
The commissioners, alam nila.
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Okay. Part of your mandate on authority was usurped. Sila na po yung nagtatanong eh. Ang ginagamit po nila, yung mga dokumento, yung mga reports, and the papers, nasasalig ang batas, ang sinasabi, kayo po ang dapat mag-examine, kayo po ang dapat mag-audit, nobody else.
It does not mean po na we will just take it hook, line, and sinker. We will still audit based on what our standards are.
Paano kung hindi pareho ang outcome nyo? Paano hindi pareho ang conclusion nyo? What happens?
I think we will stand by yung audit po ng COA.
O ibig mo sabihin, yung outcome ng aking mga colleagues ay mali. What happens then? What will happen to the integrity of the Commission on Audit?
Sir, eventually, if ever man na mapunta po ito sa CP and then mapunta sa courts, even the courts can reverse COA po. Mr. Chair, I believe ang outcome po from Congress is legislation, while ang sa amin po is yung result of audit po. We just simply recognize the authority of the Congress.
In simply recognizing the authority of Congress, you have wittingly or unwittingly surrendered part of your mandate.
No, Mr. Chair, we have not surrendered our mandate.
How do you know that you have not surrendered?
Hello mga ka-beauties. Punta na ako ng taping ng Viewpoint Headlines today. Kaso sobrang init. Sira na naman kasi ang aircon sa studio. Mabuti na lang lagi kong kasama ang BFF ko. Sweet Night Fragrance. Amoy pang mayaman siya pero napaka-affordable ng price. 99 pesos lang. And tapos bumibinta siya ng 1.4 million sa TikTok shop. And also recommended, especially lahat ng mga influencers. Ano pang hinihintay niyo mga beauties? And magiging komportable ang araw niyo maghapon pagkakasama niyo itong Sweet Night Fragrance. And in-spray ko lang ito ng twice, mga ka-beauties. Ano pang hinihintay niyo? Click the order link below.
How do you know? Are you in a position to even assess the impact of your action?
It is still the COA that is performing the audit. The Congress is doing a different thing. They're not auditing the funds.
What are they doing? Meron ba silang sinabi sa'yo na meron na kaming legislation in mind? Meron bang lumitaw?
That is
I
why
am
po
trying to emphasize to you kung ano yung impact.
That is
Nung
why we
pagkakabi-
recognize po yung wisdom po ng Congress.
Pwede bang patapusin mo ako? Kasi baka mapagalitan ka ng chair. Maring managot po ang inyong mga opisyal. I am referring to the chairman and the commissioners of COA. Somebody might file an impeachment case on the ground of betrayal of public trust. Alam po ninyo, mataas na uring pagpapahalaga yun eh.
COA, under the Constitution, have the power and duty to examine, audit, and settle all accounts pertaining to all revenues, receipts, so forth, and so on. The Senate or the House of Representatives or any of the respective committees may conduct inquiry in aid of legislations in accordance with its duly published rules of procedure.
Mr.
At dito
Chair,
po sa...
Mr. Chair.
Excuse me, Congressman Marcoleta, I'm still asking questions. The filing or pendency of a case before any court, tribunal, or quasi-judicial or administrative body shall not stop or abate any inquiry conducted to carry out a legislative purpose. So, ibig sabihin, pasok po dito sa amin. May oversight po kami. Yung
Yeah,
po ang
yes, Mr.
rationale
Chair.
nito. We have an oversight function. Now, to question the constitutionality of Congress, ano po ang pinakatama pong hakbang gawin? To file a petition before the Supreme Court. Petition for certiorari. In the case of Romero versus Estrada, the Supreme Court emphasized that the inapplicability of the sub judice rule to inquiries in aid of legislation is not limited to criminal or administrative cases. It can be extended to appealed cases and special civil actions awaiting final disposition before the Supreme Court. Otherwise, it would be extremely easy to subvert any intended inquiry by Congress through the convenient ploy of instituting a criminal or an administrative complaint. Surely the exercise of sovereign legislative authority, of which the power of legislative inquiry is an essential component, cannot be subordinate to a criminal or administrative investigation. Maliwanag naman po yung ating explanation na ang Kongreso po ay may kapangyarihan. Tama po ba? That is the reason why you complied with the subpoena duces tecum that Congress or this committee issued before the Commission on Audit. Tama po ba?
Tama po, Mr. Chair.
Okay, thank you.
Our function is inquiry or investigation in aid of legislation. Incidentally, Mr. Chair, Section 22 is the oversight function of Congress. Dapat sana ang COA ay doon po kayo bumase doon sa oversight function, not under Section 21, because that is in aid of legislation. That is the limitation imposed by law. There should be a legislative purpose. Nakabalangkas na po yun. Hindi po gagawa ng batas habang nagtatanong o pagkatapos na magtanong. Very clear po, it is in aid of legislation. Dapat, prerequisite po, nakabalangkas na yung batas. The reason why we are asking you to appear before us is to help us complete the legislation. Sa ngayon po, with all the questions answered and asked, wala pa pong malinaw na legislative purpose. Am I correct?
Meron na po.
Ano
Mr. Chairman, marami po.
sinasabi ko? If it is in aid of legislation, maliwanag po sana na una na po yung balangkas. Kahit outline lang. Hindi yung pong nagtatanong na tayo ng nagtatanong, sapagkat meron din pong jurisprudence na hindi dapat mauna po yung kabayo kaysa sa kalesa. Kasi po yung kabayo, ihilain niya yung kalesa.
It was decided by the Supreme Court, and I would like to quote, inquiries in aid of legislation are utilized to enable the legislative body to gather information and thus legislate wisely and effectively, and to determine whether there is a need to improve existing laws or enact new or remedial legislation, albeit the inquiry need not result in any potential legislation. Those are the words of the Supreme Court. The conduct of inquiries in aid of legislation may not result in any legislation at all, as decided by the Supreme Court.
Dito po, sabi po dito, ang Kongreso ang guardian of public funds. Ang investigasyon sa government transaction is a proper exercise of the power of inquiry. Kabilang sa mga transaksyong ito, ang government agencies created by Congress. Number 2, officers whose position are within the power of Congress to regulate or even abolish.
Ayoko din po na ma-compromise yung integrity and independence of the Commission. Of all the questions that you were asked and some of the positions that each of the members of this committee have taken so far, would that any way influence you to approach the process of your audit?
Mr. Chair, we will still conduct our audit objectively.
So meaning to say, whatever would be the decision of the committee, it will never replace or
Yes.
it will never set as a guide for
Yes,
you
Mr.
to approach
Yes, Mr. Chair.
The process of your audit insofar as this discussion is concerned. Whatever issues or topics we discuss here, it will still irrelevant insofar as the process of your auditing is concerned.
Yes, sir. We will
Mr. Chair,
We will never replace or substitute you.
No, sir.
Okay.
No.